Round one ended. Round two. I like these random pauses. Like we both gotta catch off.
Really got her butt on again, really?
Like it's weird. They were just fighting. And they just calm down. Yeah, because that was the best. You know, it's Molly till all like, I'm ready to fight, and Annabelle just all waggy happy.
Hard trying to record and watch at the same time.
Whoa! The casual one. Water break. Then they go to opposite sides of the room.
In the left corner, we have Molly standing about 8 inches off the ground, weighing 7 pounds. And then in this corner, we have Annabelle standing about 1.5 feet off the ground, weighing at least 30 to 40 pounds with her heavy self. Alrighty?
Ding ding. Round something. What happened? Where'd the fighting go? There's no truce. It's impossible. It's impossible. Tired.
Miley is tired. No way. Oh my gosh. The day finally happened. Oh, we know Annabelle. She's like that boy.
I'm sorry for blocking you, Cam.
Oh no, you're not blocking me. You're good. I'm looking. Miley had to take a break for more than 17 seconds. Wait for it.
You see? Are we gonna get a random pounce? She laid back down.
I'm slowly close in on this. What? I've been here, what, 2-3 days? I've never seen this. Tongue hanging all out the mouth.
Because she has another crazy dog to fight instead of just Mr. Casual right here.
Yes.
He does nothing but.
53 seconds. Still laying there.
Except this guy, he's always hungry. He just chills. He doesn't fight.
Had to record this so we know it's not a fleeting moment.
Gosh, she's been laying down